Hey guys, welcome to my course on developing games in Unity 3D. In this course we're going to be making a 2D slot machine type game using some classic 8-bit Nintendo style graphics. So hopefully that'll make it a little fun. The way the course is designed is instead of having some kind of primer on C#, I'm going to sort of explain what I'm doing along the way. We're going to get right into it, and we're going to start looking at the editor. And once we do start getting into some code, I'll tell you exactly what I'm doing along the way, so you'll know just what you need to know to get going. So hopefully that'll make it a little bit more exciting for you. I want to thank you for taking a look at the course and purchasing it, if that's what you did. And I hope that the course will be of value to you, and that you're going to have fun going through with me. So let's get started, and I'll see you on the inside.